When shooting a veneer, the first step is to clean the underlying surface, in this case fiber modules, of all loose and foreign debris. To minimize dust, wet the underlying surface. A hose with a spray nozzle or a portable water tank work well. When finished, inspect the surface to make sure all debris has been removed. At this point, wet down the surface again. This will aid in the next step. Using a brush or a hopper gun, fiber stick cement needs to be applied. Adding water to the fiber stick cement will allow it to be more easily applied. For this job, the contractor utilized the air line from the Foamfrax machine as an air source for their hopper gun. Coat the surfaces that are to be veneered with the fiber stick cement. This provides the bond between the existing fiber modules and the Foamfrax veneer. Be sure to wear the proper personal protective equipment at all times. A half-face air purifying respirator is required. Be sure to coat all areas that are going to be veneered. Begin applying the Foamfrax. The nozzle is to remain 18 to 24 inches away from the shooting surface. Move back and forth in a slow, fluid motion, filling in all the areas that are to be veneered. Shoot the corners and the edges first, then fill in the remainder. When shooting an arch surface, or any overhead face, it is important that you shoot straight at the surface. Shooting at an angle may cause the Foamfrax to rebound off the surface. It is important that the fiber stick cement is still wet when applying the Foamfrax, especially on an overhead surface. Foamfrax grades 1, 2, and 3 have a blue tint to them due to the binder. This will turn white after the first firing. Foamfrax products can be fired immediately, as this furnace was. Total shooting time was less than 30 minutes.